Hi everybody, I have a 95 Jeep Wrangler. I'm currently dealing with what I think is possibly an exhaust leak. I originally thought it was a rod knocking, but my oil pressure is fine. My oil level is fine. Um, I have checked my spark plugs and spark plug wires and everything there seems to be good. So I'm kind of just picking at things that people are suggesting might be it, and now I'm bringing it to the forums and to YouTube to see what other people might have as suggestions. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, let you look at the oil pressure and just hear what it sounds like.